We with the boys. We made it. We're doing $6 spins, Eureka Treasure Train. We need 6 dynamite, or I think it's 3 of the treasures. Let's enjoy this, shall we? There is some wilds. There we go. We're battling. We're doing $6 spins here. A single noiser. Come on, dude. It's gonna smack soon. I'm feeling it. Wham. Two more. It's taking my money. We're gonna do with a couple 3s. Try and salvage this. A couple fast spins. Some wild. Come on. We're just gonna fast spin this down. And we are dead. Oh, we got a 50-50.